Duck on a bike. One day down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I could ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first, he rode very slowly, and he wobbled a lot. But it was fun. Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. "Hello, Cow," said Duck. "Moo," said Cow. But what she thought was, "A duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen." Then Duck rode past Sheep. "Hello, Sheep," said Duck. "Bah," said Sheep. But what she thought was, "He's going to hurt himself if he's not careful." Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. "Hello, Dog," said Duck. "Woof," said Dog. But what he thought was, "That is a mighty neat trick." Then Duck rode past Cat. "Hello, Cat," said Duck. "Meow," said Cat. But what she thought was, "I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike." Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. "Hello, Horse," said Duck. "Nay," said Horse. But what he thought was, "You're still not as fast as me, Duck." Duck rang his bell as he rode toward Chicken. "Hello, Chicken," said Duck. "Cluck, cluck," said Chicken. But what she thought was, "Watch where you're going, Duck!" Then Duck rode past Goat. "Hello, Goat," said Duck. "Ma," said Goat. But what he thought was, "I'd like to eat that bike." Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. "Hello, pigs," said Duck. "Oink," said Pig and Pig. But what they thought was, "Duck is such a show-off." Then Duck rode no hands past Mouse. "Hello, Mouse," said Duck. "Squeak," said Mouse. But what he thought was, "I wish I could ride a bike just like Duck." Suddenly, a whole bunch of kids came down the road on bikes. They were in such a hurry that they didn't see Duck. They parked their bikes by the house and went inside. Now all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. "This is fun," they all said. "Good idea, Duck." Then they put the bikes back by the house. And no one knew that on that afternoon, there had been a cow, a sheep, a dog, a cat, a horse, a chicken, a goat, 2 pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. The end?
Hi, I'm going to show you how to access Scholastic Book Flix online through limitlesslibraries.org. So first we need to go to a web browser like Google Chrome. Next, we will go to limitlesslibraries.org, and once you're on their website, you can click Elementary School and Research Tools. You can scroll down and find BookFlix. Go ahead and click on it. To access BookFlix, you will need to put in your library card number and PIN. For students, their library card number is their 190 number. You can ask me if you don't know that. Your PIN is going to be your 4-digit birthday. So for example, if your birthday was February 28th, it would be 0228. I'll log in with my information here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and skip the intro here. All right, so we have lots of categories on the right-hand side, and we have one featured book of the day. I maybe want to read a book about imagination, so I'm gonna click on imagination.
Imagination.
I'm going to scroll down and take a look at some of the books that are listed under imagination. Maybe I am interested in reading about wolves. Let's see here. Once I get into this category, I have 2 books to read about wolves. One is nonfiction, over here. The other is a fiction book. It's a fairy tale called Lon Po Po. Let's see what happens when I click it. All right, the book is getting started and it's going to read it aloud to you. There are also some puzzles and different places to go online to read more about wolves. So check out Scholastic Book Flix from Limitless Libraries. Thank you.